So, um, basically, one of the reasons why I wanted to do my homily before the service starts is because part of the was that I wanted to give everyone permission to grieve. Because sometimes, and I'm speaking from experience, because I have a tendency to separate from my emotions, and so especially things I don't want to experience, I tend to push them away and not deal with them. And something I discovered on, I watched several therapists on YouTube, and one of the things one of them was talking about is that saying that time heals all wounds is a little bit of a misnomer, because you both need time and you need the space to process what happened. And so if you only do one of the things, you don't have the time to fully heal from something. So if you have time but you haven't actually dealt with anything, when it does come up, it'll feel the same way as when it first happened. And so because of that, I wanted to make sure that everyone, yeah, knows that it's okay to grieve however you need to grieve, in whatever time frame you need to grieve, and that if something comes up today that you haven't dealt with and you feel weird about it still feeling as fresh as when it happened, even if it happened decades ago, that's not only is that normal, but in some ways to be expected because of how our brains work. And I know sometimes it's easier to let yourself feel things if you have permission from a third party that's not involved, because brains are weird. So if you need it, this is me giving you permission. So yeah, with that, we will start the service.
I'm not sure how to make the recording stop.
There should be a hit the 3 dots button,
Okay.
and then it should be one of the options.